Hey guys, welcome to Adulting with Alumirar, your ultimate guide to navigating life one story at a time. From chic fashion to thriving at work, staying fit, and keeping it real in relationships, we've got it all. Let's laugh, learn, and live our best millennial lives together. Hit that subscribe button and let's dive into the chaos of adulthood with a whole lot of style and a dash of fun. We are making tea scones, perfect for breakfast, brunch, or an afternoon pick-me-up with your favorite cup of tea. Let's get started. Here is what you will need for this super simple recipe. All-purpose flour, granulated sugar, baking powder, cold butter, milk, egg, cooking cream, or plain yogurt. You can also have your favorite add-ins like raisins, chocolate chips, or dried cranberries. I like to have two bowls so that I can have my dry ingredients and my wet ingredients. So first, I will mix the butter and the sugar and mix it until it is well mixed. After that, I will add my flour, then add my baking powder to the mixture and mix it. In a separate bowl, I whisk together the milk, egg, cooking cream or plain yogurt, and vanilla essence. Then slowly pour it into the dry ingredients. Gently mix until everything comes together. Because I want tender scones, not rough ones. Time to add some personality. Today, adding raisins, but because I forgot to add the raisins, I totally forgot to add the raisins. This is the stage where it gets messier, and I'm going to just knead the dough with my hands until it makes a consistent paste, not too soft and not too hard, just in the middle, soft enough. And there you go. I skipped a step, and instead of rolling it out flat so that I could form the shape of the T-scone, I've just decided to go with taking it and putting it straight away on the tray. It's a shortcut, but if you like, so that you have them round and nice, you can choose to have it on a flat surface first and make sure it is 1 centimeter thick, and then now cut it out into the shape that you want. Most of the times T-scones are round, so most people like to go with round, but it could be any shape of choice, really, whatever you like or prefer. Turning on the oven at 200 degrees Celsius just to preheat, and as I'm doing that, I am lightly flouring the surface. I will skip rolling out the dough, so I will just go in with a glass and put it straight up. But if you want to achieve a good round T-scone, then it would be good for you to roll out the dough about 1 inch thick and cut out your scones, either using a cookie cutter or just a glass, really, whatever works for you. So I brush the tops with a little egg wash for that golden glow. Then I pop them into the preheated oven at 200 degrees Celsius for about 15 to 20 minutes. While they bake, I'm going to be chatting. Would you like to chat with me? Let's chat. So what's your go-to comfort food? For me, it's definitely anything I can bake. There's something so therapeutic about mixing, rolling, and creating something from scratch. Just drop a comment below and let me know what you love to bake or eat when you need a little pick-me-up.
Perfect.
And they are done. Look at these beauties, golden, fluffy, and oh so inviting. Let's plate them up and do a quick taste. These are perfection. Soft, buttery, and just the right amount of sweetness. Paired with a cup of tea, they are pure magic. Thanks for baking with me today, friends. If you try this recipe, tag me at Alumirar on social media. I'd love to see your creations. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more fun, chatty adulting adventures. Until next time, happy baking. I've been your host with the most, and keep thriving. Bye.